আসসালামু আলাইকুম প্রিয় ভাই বোনেরা, আমি মোহাম্মদ কামাল উদ্দিন আজকে আপনাদের সামনে উপস্থিত হয়েছি ইনডাইরেক্ট ট্যাক্সের ম্যান্ডেটরি কোশ্চেন নিয়ে কিছু আলোচনা করব বলে। আমি প্রথমে জানুয়ারি 2019 এক নাম্বার কোশ্চেনটি একটু নিয়ে পড়ছি। এ describe two services that are subject to VAT at source. Describe two services that are subject to VAT at source. B. What is the difference between exemptions and zero rate? What is the difference between exemptions and zero rate? Assume that the assessable value of a product for customs duty is Taka 1000. Calculate the amount of customs duty, VAT, SD and ATB from the following. Assume that the assessable value of a product for customs duty is 1000 Taka. Calculate the amount of customs duty, VAT, SD and VAT ATB from the following. CD 25%, SD 30%, VAT 15%, AIT 5%, ATB 4%. এখানে 18 মার্কস 4 plus 2 plus 12. 18 মার্কস হলো আমাদের ম্যান্ডেটরি অ্যান্সারেবল। জুলাই 2018 এর ইনডাইরেক্ট ট্যাক্সের ম্যান্ডেটরি কোশ্চেন নিয়ে পড়ছি। A1. What is VAT? Name 5 kinds of goods and services which are exempted from VAT. 5 kinds of goods and services which are exempted from VAT. Is VAT charged on goods exempted from import duties? Is VAT charged on goods exempted from import duties? Which transactions are subject to zero rate as per the VAT Act? Which transactions are subject to zero rate as per the VAT Act? D. What are the differences between zero rating and exemption as per VAT Act? What are the differences between zero rating and exemption as per VAT Act? January 2018 এর ম্যান্ডেটরি কোশ্চেন 1 আমি পড়ছি। A. Write about the concept of value added tax. Write about the concept of value added tax. B. Who are required to register for the purpose of VAT? Who are required to register for the purpose of VAT? C. State 5 circumstances when input tax credit rebate are not allowed. State 5 circumstances when input tax credit rebate are not allowed. D. What are the main information of VAT return? Mushok 19. What are the main information in VAT return? Mushok 19. এখানে 16 মার্কস, প্রত্যেকটাতে 4 করে, 4 4 16 মার্কস। জুলাই 2017 এর ইনডাইরেক্ট ট্যাক্সের ম্যান্ডেটরি কোশ্চেন 1 আমি একটু পড়ছি। BDBL is a marketer of consumer products and imports different products. These products are sold through superstores, high-end retail shop, etc. Recently, the company has imported yogurt, which is waiting for customs clearance at Chittagong port. The material attracts duties, that is, customs duty CD at the rate of 25%, supplementary duty SD at the rate of 30%, etc. As per customs duties schedule. The assessable value of the consignment is Taka 50 lakh. The C&F agent of the company wants to assess from customs for clearance material paying applicable duties as mentioned at the import stage. You are advised to consider all relevant duties applicable at import stage for customs assessment for the product. Required. What is meant by deduction at source under VAT laws? What is meant by deduction at source under VAT laws? What are advantages of such deductions? Calculate total taxes including all duties and taxes applicable at import stage. After clearance from the port, BDBL wants to sell these products to local market. What are the procedure to be followed as commercial importer as per VAT guideline? এখানে 18 মার্কস 3 plus 12 plus 3